All right, so the Falcon 2 Pro comes in this box. It's actually quite large. It also weighs quite a bit at 52 pounds. Here we can see what the engraver looks like. And if we go to one of the sides, you can see here the dimensions. Let's go ahead and open it up. So right on the top, we got cardboard layer, soft foam. So it looks like there's gonna be a layer here. So it looks like this is some kind of tray, as we got little wheels. And underneath that, looks like the door, and we got a red tint and another screen here for the same thing. All right, so we got another section of things here, and we'll go through this in a second. The pipe, it's like a collapsible. Looks like we have a little kit or some samples to engrave and cut to. This is our frame here. So for the most part, it looks somewhat assembled, but obviously we're gonna have to put a few things together. Move this out of the way for now. We got also the manual under there, and it's a very nice one. Shows us everything that's included, and then the step-by-step process to put it together. So yeah, very nice manual. So this is another layer here, and we can see we got these kind of aluminum pieces we'll be installing for the bottom floor. And actually that looks like a light there, so yeah, I can see LEDs in there. That's pretty cool. And another one here has the camera. Very nice. And below that we got parts to the enclosure, and we also have a fan here, and this is the side where the pipe will go. Another piece here, more pieces. So yeah, and that is everything that was in the box. All right, so let's quickly go over what we got in here. Some Creality stickers, a little box with some accessories in there, and there is a list that says what's inside. A power supply, and it's a 24 volt, 5 amps. We also got the power cord with the US plug, bag of accessories, a hose, glasses, green to protect your eyes. So this is a pump that pumps air, and we can see here the exhaust port. This plugs into the machine. And then we got the main module, which is the laser, and there's a sticker here to warn you about taking the safety precautions before using a laser. Read your manual carefully. So here we have air, fire, lens. There's more information here about the laser. 22 watts. So what the bottom looks like. The side there with some indicator of what the lights mean. Different colors. Some venting here. Mount. And more venting on this side with a laser icon here. So there's a little sight on the front, which is nice to see through what it's doing. And on the top we got this pretty chunky cable that comes out of it, and that's obviously going to plug into the machine. So also there are ports here for the air, and also a USB type C port, and also a button here. So yeah, quite interesting. So we also have quite a few things here that we might need, like the wrenches and things like that. We got the keys, double-sided wrench, adapter, USB, more adapters, a little microfiber looks like, and some more bolts. So yeah,